How to massage your baby's chest. Number 1. Place both hands on your baby's chest and stroke outward from her sternum to her shoulders. Number 2. Beginning at the sternum, trace a heart shape, bringing both hands up to her shoulders, then down and back together. Number 3. In a crisscross pattern, stroke diagonally from one side of your baby's hip, up and over the opposite shoulder and back down to her hip. Arms. Number 1. With one hand, hold baby's wrist. Relax her upper arm by tapping it lightly. Number 2. Hold her wrist with one hand and hold your other hand in a C shape around baby's upper arm. Stroke from her shoulder down to her wrist. Number 3. With each hand grasping her arm, one right above the other, stroke down from shoulder to wrist with both hands rotating in opposite directions, as if you were gently wringing her towel. Number 4. Massage her palm, moving thumb over thumb from heel of her hand to her fingers. Number 5. Stroke down top of hand from wrist to fingertips. Gently squeeze and pull each finger. Number 6. Massage her wrist by moving your fingers in small circles. Number 7. Roll her arm between both your hands.